Following the popularity of the original Kynar wire and dispenser box kit, part number R30-5100, we've decided to extend the line. It's now available in more wire gauge options. It comes with completely redesigned dispenser box and a free wire stripper. Hey there folks, Gareth here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing some kits to complement our extensive line of Kynar wire. First, in addition to 30 gauge, we now have 100 foot, 24, 26, and 28 gauge dispenser boxes available. And that's not all. I'm also excited to announce that we now have a dispenser box that includes 1,000 foot, 30 gauge wire. And all kits include 5 colors: yellow, red, blue, black, and white. Typically used where flexibility, strength, and low weight are required. Kynar wire is ideally suited in wire wrap, power supply, medical, and aerospace application. It's also commonly used for circuit board prototyping because of its lighter weight and smaller overall diameter. These are just some of the properties that make Kynar wire an excellent choice when working in most environments. Let's dive right in and see what you get with each kit. A redesigned dispenser box with clearly marked holes on top, making threading your wire a breeze. Kynar insulated wire that provides high temperature resistance and excellent abrasion resistance. This wire features OHFC, which stands for oxygen-free high conductivity, silver-plated copper conductor which provides exceptional electrical conductivity and flexibility. They also meet or exceed UL 1423 standards. But wait, there's more. With every Kynar wire and dispenser box kit, you'll also receive a fantastic bonus. That's right folks, you get a free wire stripper, part number JIC-2030 with every kit. It's the perfect tool to make your wiring projects even more effortless. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.